And meteorologist Maria Ruiz is here with us. You know, we've mentioned some delays when it comes to planes coming in. This is going to delay people, no doubt, as they're trying to leave town too. Not ideal for a Friday.
Definitely not, and even just out on the roadways. So right now at DFW, there's some rain, so not the main thunderstorms that we're expecting later, but it's already causing visibility issues. Imagine whenever those storms just kind of pick up in intensity.
Yeah, you don't want to be on the roads later in that.
Yeah, absolutely not. And we do have that update for you. I mean, we had the enhanced risk that does include the Metroplex, but now we have a moderate risk. This is a level 4 out of 5. So this area is where we could see numerous severe thunderstorms, especially this afternoon once that cold front pushes storms into the area. This does include the counties of Kaufman. It includes Hunt County, really small portion of Rockwall County towards the north and east, across the Red River into Oklahoma and in Arkansas. And like I mentioned, the Metroplex, Denton, Collin County still included in the enhanced risk, which is a level 3 out of 5, and a slight risk, a 2 out of 5 for now portions of western Tarrant County, Parker, Wise County also included in that. So basically what this is showing us, the more east you are, the more likely you are to encounter a strong to severe storm. The main concern here across the board is going to be the potential for strong winds. In fact, damaging winds possible. This is what's going to impact a bigger portion of the area. A few of us will see the large hail potential as well. We're talking, especially in that moderate risk area that I just showed you, could be half-dollar sized hail or larger. And we're also going to see that potential for tornadic activity, especially in that moderate risk. That's where we have the highest likelihood to see not only a tornado, but a tornado that could be quite a bit longer lived than we talk about generally this time of the year, and a larger tornado as well. Again, this will be mainly east of I-35. The flood concern is not completely zero, but it's there. It's just one of the lower threats because we're dealing with a system that's moving relatively quick. So let's show you that. This is a time cast for today's storm threat. This is around 1 in the afternoon. We're seeing a few of those storms really popping up still west of I-35. As the afternoon progresses, we'll see these storms kind of come together in a straight line. That's where we see that potential for some strong winds right on the leading edge of that, and the hail potential as well. Ahead of that, we could see some isolated thunderstorms. That also something to be mindful of because that's where we could see some strong activity as well. So as we go now, 3. You can see there along I-35, coverage is a bit wider across the I-35 corridor counties. This will progress towards the east. This is now showing you 4. That cold front kind of overtaking there and really helping push a lot of this activity east of the Metroplex by around 6 or 7 in the evening. And now we're looking at the main threat across our far eastern counties into portions of our northeast and east Texas as we head into 8, 9 in the evening. We clear out in the overnight hours. So at least we can get some decent sleep after these storms move through. Here's what it looks like right now. There are no active warnings, but we do have some rain across the Metroplex and definitely some heavier rain across portions of Denton County. I'm watching these storms, though, still across the big country just north of Abilene, just west of Wichita Falls. We're looking at just some activity that's on the light side for Dallas, Collin County, and in Tarrant County, some pockets of heavier rain now just over South Lake and into portions of Denton there towards the north. So we're again watching storms that are just to our west. These are the storms that we have to pay close attention to because those will be the ones that pack a slightly bigger punch for us. So again, we're looking at a lot of cloud cover still across North Texas. Our western counties anywhere between now to about 1 in the afternoon is when we'll see those storms really starting up. And across the I-35 corridor counties between 1 to 6. So we start to see our first storms west of I-35, and then they make their way through the Metroplex by 6, and then our eastern counties after 6 to about 10 in the evening. Again, right now we're just seeing some cloud cover. Temperatures are in the mid-70s. They're in the mid-70s across all of North Texas, but this is a really sharp front. I want to show you this. It's already dropped a temperature to 38 degrees in Amarillo. We'll notice the cooler air by Saturday morning with a morning low of 48, 69 for the afternoon high temperature Saturday, 78 on Sunday. We'll have another round of rain on Monday, but this one doesn't look to bring widespread severe weather. Temperatures, though, will be at about 80 degrees. Hey, we're going to have a Facebook Live after midday on WFA's Facebook page, so be sure to join us on there. We're going to break all of this down for you once again. We'll be back.